Hello again, Tom from EveryStepPhysics.com, EveryStepCalculus.com too, don't forget that. Subscribe to my site if you want to do that, or share it. Give a thumbs up if you want to do that, help me. Also, for the month of September, I'm giving $10 just for the program, so you can buy these programs for $10 if you send me $10 in my PayPal account, tomtrumpet4@gmail.com. That's TOMTRUMPET, the number 4@gmail.com. This is a simple, to me nothing in physics was simple because you're trying to get your mind organized and what to do, and I used to think that you just take whatever they give you, just multiply them together and throw it down on the paper and hope for the best, you know. But anyways, so I've designed these programs to do just that. Now you notice that they're asking for angular acceleration, so that's what you go to in my menu. After you load my programs into this titanium calculator here, I'm going to scroll down here to angular acceleration, which is right there. And do you see rads per second squared in the problem here? I don't see it. Do you? No. Okay. I say no. And so now we're going to find out what we have. We have initial velocity and final velocity. Okay. Anytime you see meters per second, you know it's velocity. And if you see rads per second, then of course you're talking about angular velocity. And but that'll help you keep track of what kind of velocity you're talking about. So we have initial and final velocities, and then this time for seconds, and then we have a radius, 0.32 meters. Now I always recommend you'd go here on the side and you say, well, let's see, initial velocity is 0. VF, final velocity, is 30 meters per second. T is equal to 4.2 seconds, and R for radius is equal to 0.32 meters. Okay, so you'd put that on the side of your test problem here, then you know exactly what you're looking for in my menu. So we would scroll down here to here's initial velocity and final velocity, time and radius. Okay. So now we have to put the parameters in here. You have to press alpha first. We're going to put the radius in, alpha 0.32 meters, number 3. Press number 3. And they're asking for the initial velocity. Well, you can enter 0 here, so you have to go alpha 0 for initial velocity. And for final velocity, alpha 30. Number 4 meters per second. And I say if it's not given, just put the top one here going to the right. That's positive. Going to the left is negative. I'm going to enter the time, alpha 4.2 seconds. Now we check it. We got the radius seems right. Initial velocity is 0. Final velocity is 30. Time is 4.2 seconds. Looks pretty good. We can change it if we want, but I say it's okay. So now we're going to get the tangential acceleration, which is linear acceleration, and find that VF minus V initial divided by time is equal to 7.1429 meters per second squared. Angular acceleration then would be the tangential acceleration divided by the radius, equals 22.321 rads per second squared. Pretty neat, huh? EveryStepPhysics.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, or if If you want to send me $10 in my PayPal account, I'll send them to you right there. They're all over 500 programs that all deal with word problems like this, depending upon if they ask for tension, you go to tension. If they're asking for velocity, you go to velocity. If they're asking for whatever torque, you'd go to torque. That's all in my menus, okay? And then the next thing is what they give you for the variables. So anyways, I'll help you all I can. Good luck with your classes, and have a good one.